For the assignment today as your activity for your daily activity, you're going to be completing an assignment here on Education Galaxy. So when you log into Education Galaxy, this is what it's going to look like. I have assigned an assignment for you, and so you are going to go to Assignments, then you're going to go to Math, and it's going to give you an assignment down here. There is nothing here because I don't have it scheduled yet, so you can't see what it looks like. But again, you're going to go to My Assignments, Math, and then you're going to have an assignment pop up here. Mrs. Reagan and Mrs. Humphreys are also going to be assigning assignments. So if you're doing an assignment for Miss Reagan, it's going to be under Writing. If you're doing one for Miss Humphreys, it's going to be under Reading. But for this specific assignment right now that you are about to complete, you need to click Math, and then it will give you what you are working on, and I need you to complete that. If you have any missing work, this is a great time to get this done. This assignment will still be due. I am taking this assignment as a grade, but this is a good time to get some missing work done, and you can come back to this assignment later. If you don't have any missing work, go ahead and get this done right now, and then you're done for the week.